Hello there, it's John here again, and today I am in Qualicum Beach. Actually, just up from the beach, I'm in the town center. I'm going to do a little walk down what is more or less the main street, and then maybe we'll head down and get a look at the water. All right, well, I'll see you in a second. All right, so here we are, just across the street from the Quality Foods. There's 2-hour parking right there. We're just gonna head down towards Memorial Avenue. That's the main drag. This is the Memorial and Fern, if you're wondering. There's a pharmacy across the street there. Let's see if we can get across the street here. All right, here we go. Got a lot of neat stores just along the main drag here for you to check out. If you need anything, Quality Foods is a good space, good place to pop in. Sandwiches, all that kind of stuff, and their little deli and nice grocery store. Lots of clothing store, sushi place. Fairly well known as a retirement community here in Qualicum Beach. A lot of older folks, you know, they have a Berwick retirement and a few other retirement places. They also have in the summer a fantastic car show. If you're here for the car show, I mean, you're going to be amazed at from all over BC and down into Washington State. You get lots of people with their hot rods and old cars and stuff. It's a lot of fun. Lots of good places to eat here as well. Strawberry matcha. Courtyard coffee. It's a barber shop if you're looking a little scruffy. You notice the railroad tracks here. There used to be a railroad on Vancouver Island, but you know, it had passenger service. It did a lot of logging and freight and stuff as well, but it hasn't been a thing for years and years. They've been talking about bringing it back, but I don't know. All they ever do seem to do is talk about it, but pretty flowers growing. Well, I'll pause right here and I'll go back up and I'll take you along some of the side streets as well. Alright, so here we are on 2nd. There's a really good shoe store over there, the Shoe Inn. Reinvented vintage. All kinds of stuff to look at. We'll just kind of cruise along second here. There's a burger joint for you. Another really beautiful place. They do lots of work with flowers and garden beds and everything. Terrific job. Nice store there. Oh, that's right. Pride Day's coming up pretty soon. That's why I get all the flags and signs. Lots of restaurants to check out. Lots of food. Lots of nice little stores. Pretty hydrangea.
CHPQ-FM, The Lounge.
Choices Parksville is honored to be recognized in the Parksville Qualicum Beach News Readers' Choice Awards as your favorite grocery
Just head across the street here. Another nice coffee spot to sit around.
Anyway, I don't know. I just thought about right. Yeah. She said
What a
they were
great
looking for higher.
Well, and here's a BC liquor store if you're looking for a little bit of the wobbly pops there. We got that handy. This is a third, so we're just heading down towards Quality Foods again. Coming back along to Quality Foods here. Wow, look at those. Holy cow. Is that ever nice, eh? Beautiful. Really nice place, but as soon as we get down to the water, you're going to be amazed. It's got a beautiful boardwalk, and when the water goes out, there's a nice sandy beach. This is where they have a real famous sandcastle building contest. people from all over the world used to come and, build these beautiful, elaborate sandcastles on the beach. It's really neat to see. It's very, very popular. What we're going to do is just pop across the street here. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, nice car there. That car will no doubt be here when the car show is on. I've been to the car show here a couple of times, and every time it is just amazing. Like, unbelievable how many cars show up. All of them are just unbelievable. Like, seriously amazing cars. Alright, well, my microphone cut out, so I'm doing a little voiceover here, and I wanted to show you the walk along the seawall here, and the beautiful beach with the coast mountains in the background. The sun is shining. If you look along here, there's lots of parking, places, picnic tables, good spots to swim. There's all sorts of things set up for everybody to go out there and have a good time in the water. There's great restaurants further down and a lot of lovely hotels with excellent views. Qualicum Beach has long been a favorite of people on Vancouver Island for holidaying and just generally enjoying the shoreline. It's an absolutely stunning place. You cannot lose hanging out in Qualicum Beach. You're going to want to come back year after year. It's absolutely wonderful here. Look at that view. Holy mackerel. On a sunny day, this place is hopping as well, so prepare for some crowds, but it's never so bad because here on the island, we're just not that busy ever. It does get busy, but not busy, if you know what I mean. Absolutely wonderful place. I love Qualicum Beach. Great place to hang out and look for, any sort of wildlife as well. You get a really nice view of the place. Some people out there and enjoying the sand and the sun. What a great spot to come and take a look. Well, thanks so much for coming by. I sure did enjoy showing you Qualicum Beach. I hope you get out here real soon. You can't lose with Qualicum Beach. Have a great one. Thanks so much for coming out.